Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a new product, a tool that I've been using, which is the Sorbo handles and channels. And I really liked and enjoyed their products. In the past I used a fixed handle squeegee with a ledger handle. And that was because we do so many commercial frames. It was when you get wide window frames, it was to close out on them. But I found with using the Sorbo, I finally gave it a chance. And that's what I enjoy about trying different products. Is it took me probably 26 years to even try the Sorbo out, really, to give it a full, a full fighting chance. I really enjoy it. So with the Sorbo, even with the swivel handle on it, it comes in handy at times. Sometimes they do loosen up, and I do not like when they loosen up freely. But it seems they're pretty simple to adjust. I did put shims in a couple of them because I couldn't tighten them any further, but it was a quick fix, wasn't too big of a deal. But that swivel handle does come in to play very good into your offices or whatnot. So we're going to take a look at the Sorbo. This is a 18-inch Sorbo channel with a Sorbo handle with the swivel handle on it. And we're going to take a look at this cleaning the set of 4 windows. First, wiping the windows down. Switching over to the swivel handle. Here I don't even need the swivel feature of it, but it's just there in case you need it. What I like here is even with the pull, you can still close out using this handle, and you can get all the way down, closing out to the frame, glass to the bottom frame, without leaving any residue behind there. So that's a great feature for it. And we clean this window below it. So this is a taller window, just a taller sized window. What's great is my past handle was great because it was a ledger, and it was great for that upper window because it allowed me to close out even on deeper frames than what this is. But what it did not allow me to do is what this Sorbo allows, which is going to be showed here. So when we clean this, in the past I could only pull down to here. Sorbo, I can pull this all the way down to close out. So one swipe on a window, and you can go from the top to the bottom, close out all the way on it, which is very beneficial. So in the past, I was only able to, with the ledger handle, pull it down to here, and then have to come and finish off by hand. So I found this, by changing to the Sorbo, it allows the angle kind of to be worked at different angles. You can use it to close out all the way down when pulling up high, but then when you're closer up ground level windows, you can pull down and it acts and it closes out pretty well at straighter angles. The other thing that's great about Sorbo is their colored products. This is a fixed handle with the quick release on it, which I really like. But this is the patriotic channel with the handle that's also the same color to match. That's another fine thing with Sorbo is they've got it covered to where every once in a while they'll put out different colored channels and equipment, which is cool, and who doesn't like that? Here's another look at what a Sorbo handle with the swivel, some of the benefits it can add. So when I wet this window down here, you can see the 18-inch applicator does not fit inside of it. So that means an 18-inch channel will not fit either. So you would need to have a swivel handle to make that work, to be able to squeegee it. Obviously, using a fixed T-bar, I can make this work by using the tip of it to clean like this, but I can't go full on. So that's the benefit of using that Sorbo fixed swivel handle, is I can still squeegee this without carrying a lot of different tools with me, without carrying a separate smaller size squeegee channel. Simply change it, go back to going straight, and still use the benefit of the 18 inches of the channel to clean the window. The next row down repeats itself. Clean the large windows. I don't prefer to use a swivel applicator in this situation, a swivel applicator would be ideal because it would allow me to wet this window a little bit faster because I could just swivel it over to wet this. Because I do very little windows that I'm not able to wet with a fixed T-bar, I don't like the flop and the slop in it. So that's why I choose to just deal with it a little bit. But I have found this situation right here to be very efficient for me using the Sorbo swivel handle. Other products work very well. Putting this here, they close out so nice. These Sorbos, when you close out on this, and even the feeling when you're squeegeeing with the rubber onto the glass, it just has a different feel to it, nice soft. And the swivel handles do carry a little bit more weight when you're using a Sorbo. That's why I also carry the fixed Sorbo handle that's aluminum. It's a little more lightweight for the entire system, and that's kind of my main tool that I've been using so far. But I do carry both in my bucket with me now, the swivel handle and the fixed. That's a look at Sorbo products, my experience with switching over to them, and the benefits that I found with them. You saw it here on Window Warriors Forum. Thanks for watching.